Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the remote camera on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. In the app, select camera right here. Then you can click on OK to enable remote viewing. Click on activate remote viewing and click on agree.
Press the power button to complete the activation.
Now, as you're activating it for the first time, you need to press on the power button to activate to verify that it's you trying to connect.
Remote viewing on.
Now it's on, and now draw a pattern. You need to connect at least 4 dots to draw that pattern. So I'll do it like so, but you can also make it more complex, right? Now I'll redraw it. And now my remote viewing is activated, as you can see right here. I will rotate my phone for a moment. Then as you can see, I could start using it. I can go further. As you can see, it all works. I can move around.
Remote viewing active.
I can do various things here. And yeah, so now I could click here on this button.
Starting video call.
And now, whatever I say is being casted to the robot. And yeah, that's basically what it's like. And you can also adjust some settings here, like go to remove. And you can change the call volume, for example. And that is basically it here. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.